This feels good right here.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Today I'm going to be putting the Depo smoked headlights onto my Nissan 350Z. So at the moment, the headlights are the standard headlights, and they're kind of a bit frosted. They've kind of got a few little cracks in them. They're quite scratchy, so I've tried to sort of polish it out a bit. But to be honest with you, the darker ones are going to look so much better. I've seen them on other 350Zs and they look awesome. So I'm going to film it. I'll speed up areas as well, but you can have a look at them and I'll do a before and after, and I cannot wait. The car is a little bit dusty at the minute. Gave it a good detail in the week, but where we are at the minute there's so much dust kind of and pollen and stuff, so yeah, so excuse the paintwork, but I'm really excited and we'll see how it looks after. The first thing we need to do is we need to pop up the clips along the front here. So, and we just need to use like a flathead screwdriver for that one. Okay, so now what we need to do is we just need to get underneath the plastic lining where the arches are. So we just need to unscrew and then pull back because there's the clips underneath there. So the bumper is now off, and now what we're trying to do is just get to all of the, hold the light in. It's a bit fiddly though because they're quite sort of hidden behind, so you really have to kind of look for them. So we're just going to take the light out now. So we finally got those bolts out and they're now loose. What we're going to do now is get the light out, unplug it, and obviously refit the new one. Just got to work out how to do it. Okay, so as you can see, that is all sorted now, so we're just going to bolt that back in, and it already looks so much better than the other one. as you can see, we've got the bumper back on again now, so I'm just going to pull off the cling film that's been protecting the Depo lights and give them a go, see what they look like.
This feels good right here.